Curd is obtained by coagulating milk in a sequential process called curdling. It can be a final dairy product or the first stage in cheesemaking. The coagulation can be caused by adding rennet or any edible acidic substance such as lemon juice or vinegar and then allowing it to coagulate. Benefits: Curds has great nutritional value. In particular, the amount of protein, Lactobacilli, may have antioxidation, antimicrobial. Lactobacilli act in intestinal modulation, improving the microvilli responsible for the absorption of various nutrients. Complex B vitamins. Possible side effects: people allergic to milk proteins cannot consume it, as they can present allergic reactions such as gastro-intestinal discomfort, blood in the stool, diarrhea with mucus. Curd made with rennet contains lactose and should be avoided in those with lactose intolerance. Curd can also be made with an acid like lemon or lactic acid, which removes most of the lactose. Quantity recommendation: for individuals who enjoy and can tolerate dairy, consume fermented dairy products like natural cheeses, including curd, yogurt, kefir, and sour cream with live-active cultures on a regular basis throughout the week. 1.5 ounces of cheese or 1 cup of yogurt or kefir is considered a serving. Individuals with already high LDL cholesterol consume full-fat dairy only on an occasional basis to limit consumption of saturated fats.